to show you, this is how it dried. And as you can see, some of the salt did not get attached really well. So, but it's okay. I'm going to use this tape and I'm going to put it around my canvas, and then I'm going to use this Enviro text, blah, 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 to create the resin. And it says to pour it in, divided in equal parts. So this is the resin bottle, and this is the hardener. So the instructions say to put it in equal parts, like I said. So I'm going to just use the whole bottle, and that way I don't have to worry about measuring. So it's gonna be great because the box says that there is enough product in here to cover 8 ounces worth of surface, and my canvas is 8 by 10, so I think it's gonna work out just fine. All right, you can see there is still some already some bubbles forming in there, so I'm gonna go ahead and combine it, and we're gonna deal with the bubbles a little later, and I'll show you my plan to deal with them. Okay, there it is. Now I'm going to mix them carefully without lifting too much with this wooden stick, and I'll be right back. Here it is. You see the bunch of bubbles, little bubbles, air bubbles that we see there? Well, I'm going to try to use this hair dryer on low and hot and see if it can be done, because I know that a lot of people will ask me. But if it doesn't work, I have my plan B here, my handy dandy torch, that I do know it works. So let's start. And yes, I know. 4th of July happened last week or so, but you know what? I went on vacation, so I wanted to show you guys how to finish this, and most of all, I wanted to see how it turned out. You know, I have not worked with resin in 20 years. The very first time I worked with resin was when my ex-husband and I got divorced, and he remarried 3 weeks. Yes, you heard that right. 3 weeks after we got divorced. And so I went ahead and took a painting class, and that's when I was introduced to resin the first time. So I haven't done it till now. So here it is. My beautiful tape is doing its job and retaining the resin. Now I'm trying to use the hair dryer here to burst the air bubbles, and I don't see it's doing its job, to be honest, guys. I know you can't, but I'm telling you, I don't think, based on what I'm seeing here, it's not gonna work. So I'm going to use my torch. So I hate to break it to you guys, but yeah, I think you're gonna need to use the torch here or a heat gun to burst those bubbles. And you're gonna be doing it for about 10 to 15 minutes after you're done with pouring the resin. Because once you think you're done, you're gonna see another bubble coming to the surface. So yeah, so just, you know, but I think it's gonna be worth it. I already like it. I'm very happy with it. But now I still need to see how this resin holds. I'm going to let it sit a little bit here, and then I'm gonna remove the tape, and I'm gonna let it dry, and I'll show you the final product. All right. In the meantime, if this video has helped you in any way, I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel and click the little notification bell. All right, so here it is, nice, bright and shiny. It dried completely even. I'm really, really happy about it. It does have texture. You see the salt that was I showed you before is totally, totally attached now. So here it is. So I definitely enjoy the experience, to say the least. And but I almost passed out when I saw the price of the resin. So I probably won't be making that very many resin paintings, but I definitely want to do a couple more or so just to try some ideas. Now, for you art lovers over there, if you want to feel like you're walking into a gallery, stop by my Facebook group, Acrylic Art Paintings Group. It looks like this right now, but it changes almost every month. And it doesn't have to be just fluid art. It can be any acrylic paintings with just a few rules, as you can see there. And yeah, let's share your work. Thank you so much, and keep on painting.